Hey lovelies, my name is Mamus Ate. Welcome back to my channel. If you want a flawless eyeshadow makeup in under 5 minutes, even if you have never picked up a eyeshadow brush before, this beginner friendly tutorial will change your eyeshadow makeup application game fast. Let's unlock your inner eye beauty with this easy, simple step. Let's get in. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mamus Ate and today I'm diving into one of the most requested videos on my comment section. People keep asking for an easy and simple eyeshadow tutorial that is perfect for beginners. So whether you are just starting your makeup journey or you have been struggling with blending in the past years, this video is your new go-to guide. I will walk you through step by step using just few basic products so you can recreate this soft glam in few minutes. No overwhelm, no fancy tools, just some real achievable beauty. So before we jump in, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bells so you never miss a glam moment. Let's get in. First thing first is you want to prep your skin. Most people actually do their eyeshadow and their eyebrows before makeup application, and that was me years back, 2009, 2010 to about 2014. But since 2014, 2015, I changed my makeup routine to applying all of my skincare products, foundation blending, highlight blending before eye makeup section. Here's just a quick guide to guide you if you are one of those that like to apply makeup products before eyeshadow. So I started off with a simple skin prep. I have different skin prep routine on my videos. You can check out any of my previous video. I started off with a clean skin. You want to work on a clean skin, clean eyes. You don't want to work on a face that have some oils and dirt. You need to prep the skin. Skin prep in recent time 2025 is very important. Your skin prep routine is important. So here is me applying eyeshadow. And talking of the eyes, we have different shape and type of eyes. When we get to the eye section, I will give you all the teas about eye look.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a handout, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
Did you miss hearing my voice? I know you did, because I know you did. I just know you did. Anyway, guys, on a simple and easy quick eyeshadow makeup tutorial, what I did not tell you at the beginning is that you can also use this particular pattern for pregnant mom. Now, this client of mine is pregnant, and praise the Lord, she's pregnant for the first time after 11 years. I'm doing this video with her permission. Yes, after 11 years. We thank God for the gift of a baby, a child. So she have hooded eyes. This is the reason why this eyeshadow makeup tutorial is very important, because if you are a pregnant mom or a mom to be watching this video and you are worried about your swollen face, your swollen eyes, this is an easy eyeshadow makeup tutorial for you. First thing first is that you want to use a gentle fragrance-free eyeshadow primer, okay, or just a bit of a moisturizer to keep the eyelids smooth and help eyeshadow last longer. Make sure all your products are pregnancy safe. The makeup artists learn to read product while buying it, okay, because every product you apply on your skin, they have chemicals that are being produced with it. I'll teach that another time, but for now, these products are safe because she's pregnant, okay? So I started off with this easy smooth eyeshadow primer. I make sure I blended that properly before choosing a natural neutral shade like this soft brown. You can also use a beige or a light topaz or peach tones. They look natural and flattering too, okay? Avoid heavy shimmer or glitter if you want something subtle and easy, and this can also pass for a smoky eye look too. Use a light beige or a cream eyeshadow all over your eyelid from your lash line up to the brow bone with a fluffy brush, which is what I'm doing now, or you can use your finger tip in achieving this step. Take a medium soft brown or a brown shade and apply it gently into the crease of the eyelid with a crease brush or a soft fluffy brush. Blend well to avoid harsh lines, and for a bit of more dimension, lightly add a slightly darker brown near the outer corner of the eyelid, blending inward, and keep it soft and natural, okay? Remember, as always, blending is key. Keep blending, just keep blending. And remember to always check ingredient label to avoid harmful chemicals. Keep the eye makeup minimal and fresh to reduce any irritation. And of course, drink plenty of water and enjoy that natural pregnancy glow. Yes, it's important. So as my client, I even asked her if she needed to drink water. Water is important just as your makeup product is important. Are you surprised? You don't have to be surprised. Drinking water daily is very important. For me, I take 3 to 4 liters of water daily, every day. Water have a lot of role to play in your skincare, trust me. And then of course I placed my razor blade at the outer corner of her eyes so that I also use this means to uplift the eyes. You can see how very easy, simple and quick this eyeshadow makeup tutorial is, and this passes not just for pregnant women but for your everyday today eye makeup look. trust me, I had to do this easy eye makeup tutorial because I have lots of questions about this on my comment section. Next is this eyebrow. I'm using a pencil. You can see I already use a brow tamer at the beginning to keep the hair in place. I'm just using the pencil to create artificial feather strokes of hair. You can see that by filling in the eyebrows, it's looking as if it's a natural hair. And then when I'm done with that, I went in with a brow gel. I am used to using a brow gel. I basically just use this one to outline under the brows. You can see on this channel, I keep giving you value, like different tips, different techniques on how you can get your brows and your entire makeup done. Okay, like I said, she's pregnant, and you can see how I'm snatching her eyebrows. Not even, you're not seeing any swollen face as if, oh, she's pregnant. No, with the skin prep, foundation, highlight, concealer, I was able to snatch her facial structure. And then I'm using the pencil to also create the same feather strokes on the left hand side of the brow. It's always difficult doing the left side of the brow. Don't allow anybody deceive you. See, right hand side of brow is always easier than the left hand side. But trust me, with consistent practice, you will get used to it. You can see that I am even more careful, more slower on the left hand side compared to when I was doing the brow at the right hand side. The most important thing is that at the end of the day, people do not see the struggle. What they see is that the brows, both eyebrows, are looking the same. And you can see how it just uplifted her eyes. And next off is me using this coily eyelash mascara from Zaron, a Nigerian product. Okay, use the mascara to coil the lashes gently, and once again use a pregnancy safe mascara. Look for gentle one with easy nice formula. Apply 1 or 2 coats just as I have just done naturally. Okay, and next off was I apply the eye glue for our eyelash. After the eyelash glue, make sure you wait for 30 to 60 seconds. When the eyelash is a bit dry and tacky, then you place your eyelash. So it's time for me to go back to the brow bones, the eyebrow bones, just to highlight it. And then I use the remaining concealer from highlighting her face to just apply under the brow bones. You can see how I am keeping it clean, soft, and very natural. And then I use a shade of powder to just blend the concealer gently. This is one of the most easiest eye makeup tutorial ever. True of us. Let me know in the comment section if you will be trying out this simple, easy eye makeup tutorial. Perfect for all skin type and perfect for beginners and even pros. Next off was me applying a setting spray to set the entire face. And next off is me using my Fenty highlighter to apply on the tear dots close to the eyelid. Okay, this just instantly brightens the eyes. For smaller eyes, you need to do this step. Okay, it brings a beautiful look to the eyes. And then I went in also to highlight the bridge of her nose for a pointed look and other part of her face. And then next off is lip. For the lip, I went in with a very nude shade, a brown and a nude lip. Okay, you can never go wrong with a nude lip, and trust me, she's expecting an expectant mom. And after this makeup, she delivered 2 weeks later a bouncy baby girl. As in, I just want to also use this video to encourage everyone out there looking for babies. Don't worry, God will never leave you. God got you. After 11 years, this client of mine is carrying a baby. You know, I've been waiting to post this video because when I do shoots for pregnant people, I usually don't post their video until I get their permission to, and until they have delivered successfully. So once again, thank you, Ma, for giving the permission to post your video and for also using your video to encourage as many as those out there waiting to carry their own baby. Princess, you are welcome. Hey, I envy you. See me when no born girl. Now only boys I born. Anyway, we thank God for the gift of life, but I envy you. You be doing mommy and me, meaning me, Princess Pink. Oh God. Anyways, this is how I slayed a beautiful look, guys. tell me on the comment section what you think about this very easy, simple eye makeup tutorial. She was just smiling, or she was happy, because trust me, if not that at the end of this video I did a full clip to show you she was pregnant, you would have never been able to tell that this is a pregnant woman. And this is it. It's very super simple, easy to follow eyeshadow look, even if you are just starting off makeup. Okay guys, do not forget to subscribe for more beginner friendly beauty videos every week. You've got this. Okay, your eye glow up starts here. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys. Mwah. You will carry your baby like this, mommy. I say you will carry your own baby, your own miracle child, like this expectant mom. It will come to pass. Have a beautiful day guys. Bye.